In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in ClickUp. A calendar view is perfect for seeing tasks by day, week, or month, and it keeps your planning clear at a glance. Start by opening your ClickUp account. You can use the web app or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. After you're signed in, make sure you're in the correct workspace if you belong to more than one. This ensures the calendar you create lives in the right place for your team. Next, open the specific space where you want this calendar to live. In ClickUp, a space is a top-level area that groups related projects and lists. From the left sidebar, choose the space you'll be planning in. This step is important because the calendar will display tasks that exist within this space and any folders or lists inside it. At the top of your space, look for the Views bar and click Add View. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a plus icon or a button labeled Add View. This is where you add new ways to visualize your work, like list, board, Gantt, and of course calendar. From the view options, select Calendar. ClickUp will prepare a new calendar view tied to the space you're in. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so teammates know exactly what they're looking at. For example, marketing calendar or sprint dates. Good names make it easier to find and reuse the view later. Now customize everything to fit your workflow. Pick which date field the calendar should use, such as due date or start date, so tasks land on the right days. Adjust the default display to month, week, or day to match how you plan. Apply filters to narrow what appears, like specific lists, assignees, priorities, or tags, so the calendar shows only what matters. If your tasks have colors by status or tag, keep those visible for quick scanning. Decide whether to include subtasks and checklists, and choose if weekends or non-working days should be shown. Confirm the time zone and working hours so events appear when your team actually works. If you want this layout every time, save these settings as your default for the view. That's it. You've created a calendar in ClickUp, named it, and tailored it to your needs. Use it to spot busy days, balance workloads, and keep deadlines on track. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.